Hello everybody, it's time for the February 2024 garden update. As you can see, things are beginning to grow. The iris beds are coming up, garlic's up, got some herbs and spices coming up, so that's wonderful to see. The hollyhocks are coming up. I'll have to get some new mosquito plants. That's no big deal. Not much happening here at the flower bed behind the lean-to. Still need to clean it up. That'll be coming up in the next couple of weeks. Not much has changed back here. And this little bed by my workshop needs to be cleaned up and gone through and get ready for this growing season. Got some weeding to do in this bed on the south side of the property, but plants are beginning to grow and come up. Got my potatoes planted recently, so they'll be coming up soon. Watering my broccoli and cabbage. Looks like they got a little dry, or a little wind burn from we had a late freeze, so those aren't looking quite so spry right now. Going to be putting in some spinach right here. Here's what the onions are looking like about a month after planting. Looking wonderful. Here's a look at this side of the broccoli. Those first two plants look like they might have got a little bit of frost burn. There's some garlic there by the AC unit. I've got some asparagus that needs to be harvested. Look at all that. Very nice. And there's a big one. Get that before I head out. Be planting my salad materials here probably this weekend. And I've got some asparagus coming up there as well. Nothing in the 4 o'clock department at this time. And things are beginning to grow in this bed on the south side of the house. There's some wildlife this morning. All these amaryllis and naked lady plants are coming up. Got a few daylilies showing. These daffodils are getting ready to bloom a little bit, so that's wonderful to see. Even got a tropical plant coming up. I'm going to have to dig some of those out because they're expanding too much. Little growth beginning at the yellow flower bed, as well as the spider lilies continue to grow on the other flower bed by the bur oak tree. And there's a little bit starting at the flower bed in the front of the house, so that's always good to see. There's my oxblood lilies. Those were new from last year. And not much to report here, about the same. Not much going on here at the mailbox flower bed. Got some violas blooming pretty nice. And then a second one there, and a cigarette butt or two here and there. Here's the flower bed at the front yard in the middle of the yard. Got some daffodils blooming quite nicely, so spring is springing around here anyway. Daylilies are coming up, amaryllis are coming up. It's all good. So I'll get the rest of the stuff planted here in the next 3 weeks. And we'll have us a good looking flower bed again. Here's the flower bed on the north side of the property. Got some more daffodils over here blooming away, and the other perennials are coming right up and looking pretty good. Not much on the grass. I've got to fix the lawnmower and scalp. I've got to fix that sprinkler head right here. Here's a look at the front yard doing its thing. And here's a look at the backyard. So once again, this is February 2024 garden update. Thank you for watching.